How to clear cache in Telegram to save space on your iPhone. To do so, first of all, open your Telegram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Once you go there, click on the settings which is on the bottom right corner of your screen and then go through the data and storage of that particular page. Then on the top you will see storage uses. Go through it and there you will see an option of clear entire cache. Hit on that and your storage is cleared. So in this very easy step you can easily clear cache in your Telegram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.